Hey everybody, what's up? Time for a video update. Yesterday was Monday, of course, so I was finishing up the new issue of MMT Trader, which was sent out to subscribers. If you would like to get a copy of that, then please go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com, and sign up for a 30-day free trial. Let me make this announcement right now just to remind everybody, this is the last week that you can still get the monthly subscription to MMT Trader for the $145 per month rate. On September 1st, which is Saturday, that goes up to $195 per month. And it's still a bargain at that rate, believe me. What I do is unique. Nobody else out there has an applied approach to MMT. There are a lot of MMT academics out there. There are a lot of people who talk about MMT concepts and theory. Nobody combines the two, that is the MMT understanding with investing and trading. I have the trading background, former member of 4 exchanges, floor trader, managed money for a hedge fund, ran a prop desk for a major international bank, etc. And I'm an economist, and I've been a follower and proponent of MMT. And I would also say a developer of MMT. There are a lot of points and understandings that came out of my work and the people who I am associated with, colleagues of mine. We have uncovered, discovered, whatever you want to call it, new understandings. And I have passed those along to people who are subscribers or those who have followed me. Okay, so anyway, MMT Trader, this is the last week you can get it for $145 a month. It goes up to $195 a month on September 1st. And by the way, if you were a former subscriber to MMT Trader and you quit, you were a quitter and you want to come back, you want to redeem yourself and come back, I will allow you to come back at your original subscription rate. Just send me an email at mnorman@pitbulleconomics.com. All right. I got people who signed up at $75 a month. People who signed up at $100, $125, $145, it's going up to $195. Again, it's the only service of its kind out there. All right, let's talk about the markets. Interesting developments, or I should say important developments, in the breakout of the stock market to new all-time highs. And I have been talking about this. I have been bullish on this. It's all about very, very elevated levels of government spending. Those fiscal flows, which is the basis of all of my analysis, those fiscal flows are at historic levels. Really. It's been amazing. I track these on a daily basis. I'm the only one who does that. By the way, if you want to learn how to look at these things and really understand them, get my course, Understanding the Daily Treasury Statement. You can also get that from my website at pitbulleconomics.com. It's only $99. It's the best $99 you'll ever invest in your whole entire life. That resource is free. It's out there every day. That is literally the government's checkbook. You see every deposit and every withdrawal. It puts you so far ahead of everybody else. I mean, it leaves anybody in mainstream economics in the dust. But you also have to have the understanding of how to look at that and how to understand how those flows are going to affect the economy and the markets. Anyway, those fiscal flows are very, very elevated. We are at historic levels. We are going to make a new all-time record high in the amount of government spending this year, surpassing the 2009 fiscal stimulus spending year. And people, by the way, if you're looking at market valuations and saying, oh, this is overvalued or whatever, look, these things can continue. If there's enough spending, this can continue forever. What you deal with, or what you ultimately deal with, is inflation. Okay, and that is another aspect and something that I've been talking about and I've been saying since December 2015. We have seen, and I predicted that with the change of course in Fed policy, with the reversal from rate cutting and quantitative easing to rate hikes and what are they calling that now? Quantitative tightening, just balance sheet reduction. I said that was going to be inflationary. Now, I was the only one who said that. Everyone else said, oh, it was going to lead to a recession and it was a contractionary and deflation was going to happen. And no, I said, look, the dollar's going to go down, commodities are going to go up, growth is going to expand. All that happened. You know, the Atlanta Fed is now predicting a 4.7% GDP growth rate for the third quarter. By the way, inflation follows rate hikes. It's well established that interest rates lead inflation. And I've been saying this. I'm the only one saying this. You raise rates, you raise prices. The cost of credit is reflected in the price of all goods and services. Even the Fed doesn't understand this. This is classic central banker thinking, all right, that they're raising rates and they're squashing inflation. They are adding to inflation. Why is it that Japan has zero inflation for 20, 25 years? They're over there scratching their heads at the Bank of Japan. Why can't we create inflation? We got negative interest rates. We got massive asset purchases. Exactly. That's why you can't. You are stripping out literally billions and billions and hundreds of billions of income from the economy with those policies, and they don't even understand it. In any credible science, the scientist who does not observe his theories in the empirical evidence would go back to the drawing board and try to understand what went wrong in his theories. But no, not in economics. And they call itself a science. That is ridiculous. Folks, let me tell you something. When you have the proper understanding, which I do, which my subscribers and my followers do, when you have the proper mental game, which many of my subscribers and followers, if they don't have it now, they are developing it. You don't know how many emails I get on a daily basis saying, Mike, your teachings of the mental game have helped me so much. It has turned my results around. It's turned my life around. Literally, I get these emails every day. Mental game is everything. I had people. Now you see what's happening right now. I said the whole entire dollar rally was a correction. It's turning around. You'll see. It's starting to roll over. Many, many, many people quit because they were weak. They didn't want to wait. Who doesn't want to wait? I'll tell you who doesn't want to wait. People who think they are very important. They don't have time to wait. That is ego. In this business, trading, markets, you put ego in there, you lose. You are a loser. I've said this a million times. The market can do nothing to you. You do whatever it is you do to yourself. Losing is a choice. You literally have trading, quote unquote, wisdom telling you to lose as a means to succeed. That is laughable. That is ludicrous. That is a joke. Get any book on trading advice. It tells you to lose, take losses. I mean, it's crazy, crazy talk. Winning is a choice, losing is a choice. We choose to win. Anyway, folks, that's it. This is the last week. You can get the subscription, lock it in at $145 a month. By the way, I forgot to mention, current subscribers, your rate will not be affected. And if you were a quitter and you want to come back, I will let you back at your original rate. Just send me an email, mnorman@pitbulleconomics.com. Have a great day, everybody. Maybe I'll see you later. Bye-bye.